Hi everyone, welcome in SAS programming in 90 days. Today is day 27. We continue with this SAS via session. Okay, in this SAS via we are doing SAS Visual Text Analytics. Okay, so in the text visual analytics we are doing node one by one. Okay, the last session we have discussed about the text parsing node. So we are going more deep in the text parsing node. Okay, so what is a text parsing node? Okay, text parsing node is enable you to view and explore the terms that are represent in a document collection. Okay, during the parsing process, terms are either kept or dropped based on their importance. Okay, so we will see about how we are creating the text parsing node. Okay, so first I'm taking the last example that I created in this SY. This is my model studio. Okay, so here the pipeline. Okay, now you can see here we have the pipeline. Okay, so because I selected the one template and that template is created this by default. Okay, this is a feature of this SAS5. They will be create the pipeline. What is a pipeline? Pipeline is a analytical decision what we are doing on our data. Okay, we are doing the text parsing. Okay, now you can see here this is the text parsing. So I click on the right click, then I click on the result. Now you can see here role by frequency is here and the descriptive statics are here. Okay, so we are discussing about the text parsing nodes in the what is the role. Okay, so role is, now you can see here, so if I maximize this, okay, now you can see here they will be show the cap terms. Okay, cap terms is no or yes. Okay, so if we kept the that terms, then they will be show the this yellow part. If no, they will be shown in the blue part. Okay, now you can see here yes. In the yes, the a, what is a is a adjective. Okay, so adjective is all a. Okay, this is the role. Okay, then we have adv means adjective, sorry, adverb. Okay, so this is an adverb. Okay, so adverb we excluded no is here is a no. Okay, so frequency 5720 is no, and we kept the kept 23408 adverb. Okay, so this is, now you can understand what you are keeping and what you are not keeping. Okay, how many adjectives you involve. Okay, how many adverb there. Okay, so different role is there, different terms they used. Okay, and you can see also here concept rule. So we in the last session we have done the concepts rule. We created some concept rule that they also presenting here. Okay, let's see more about the role. Okay, so a means adjective, n means noun. Okay, so what is a noun? N is here, this is the noun. Okay, so maximum part, I think here this the noun. Okay, 96,000 9600. Okay, 9006, sorry, 96,000 1100. Oh, sorry, 11. This is the capped here. Okay, and no is very less. Okay, so this is a noun. Then we have v is means verb. Okay, v is here, this is the verb. Okay, next we have adv, adverb. Okay, adv is here. Then we have conjunctions. So we have the conjunctions here. Okay, maximum we not kept. Okay, then we have the delimiter. Okay, so delimiter, so we not kept the maximum delimiter is no. Okay, then we have determine. Okay, let's suppose determine is the. Okay, determine we have here, no, we don't have the det. Okay, so this is a determine. Okay, next. Okay, then we have, okay, propositions or propositions are there. Okay, ppos. Okay, so proposition is no, maximum. Okay, then we have the pro is pronoun. Okay, let's see, pro is pronoun is not kept. Okay, then we have pronoun class, classifier. Okay, let's see, the classifier is here. So classifier is not here. Okay, next we have the interjection. Okay, so interjection is here, that we not kept. Okay, then we have the number. Okay, num is here. Okay, then we have particle. So non-independent words, the modifier or the grammatical feature of the other word and the basis that is not available. Then proper noun pn. So pn is here, so maximum part is kept. Okay, then we have afx, independently listed fx. Okay, afx. Okay, afx is not here. Then we have the regular expressions. Okay, regular expression is maximum kept. Okay, then we have the concepts rules. So concept rule is also kept, maximum here. Okay, so this is how we will see, and we will uh, taking the decision. So what we have kept maximum or not, because if you're seeing in the result or in the open window, you can't able to, you can see about the all the detail what is kept or what is not kept. But if you want to see graphical view, that is available in the result window. Okay, so cap terms is 4792 and dropped terms are 19073, but it's not more clearly. Okay, but if you're seeing in the result window, you will be easily see the output with the graphics, with the chart. Okay, also we have a descriptive statics here, the minimum and the maximum mean. Okay, that is also available. Okay, so this is about the text parsing node. Okay, let's move on the another next slide. Okay, next is in the topic node. Okay, so we have done this text parsing node. Okay, after the text parsing node we have the sentiment. Okay, so what is a sentiment? Sentiment is basically, if you select the sentiment, okay, you can define your sentiment if you want to define your own. Okay, so if you say, if you created any model, okay, so they will be a find from them. Okay, so analyze the attitudes and express document. Okay, so if you want to, because in the sentiment you will see a what is the, okay, I have to run this again. Okay, so so this will be show you. Okay, because I selected the sentiment and to modify from this for a browse, but I didn't explore it, I didn't selected the model. Okay, so if you have some model in there, use created some sentiment, so you can explore it and you can define it. Okay, you can select it, and according to that one they will be show you. Sentiment is the process for identifying the author's tone, attitude, positive or negative or neutral. Okay, expressed in a document. Okay, so that they will be shown in the sentiment. Okay, okay, next is a topic node. Topic node is basically okay, so topic, the specifying the setting of topic node. The topic node discovery settings to determine the number of topics that are generated when you run a topic node. Okay, so this kind of window will become whenever you're selecting the topic node. The term density. Okay, so term density is setting determine the term of cutoff value of each topic. Okay. Okay, so the topic node is enable you to find the analyze the topics from your document collection. Okay, so let's go in the topics view. Okay, so now if you select the topic discovery, automatically determine the number of topics, then they will be show like this. Okay, and then they will be show the term density. Okay, so term density setting will be determine the term of cutoff value for each topic. For each topic in document collection, the topic calculations compute a weight for each term, indicating the influences of the term on the topic. Okay, so if the absolute value of term weight is above the cutoff, the term included in the topic, the term that have the absolute weights below the cutoff not included in the topic. Okay, so let's suppose that typically range for the term density between 1 to 3. Okay, so that is the default. Okay, so but if your data appears abnormal distribution, okay, then you might want to use a value outside of this range. So you can use the settings of conjunction and document settings. Okay, so you can use this because but the one is good. Okay, so term density. Next is document density. So document density setting is reflect the cutoff of each topic where similar of term density. The document are assigned the topic of absolute value of document weight above the cutoff. Okay, so if you want to large number of document to be assigned to each topic, okay, so select a lower density and increase the document density leads the fewer. Okay, so you the value should be between the 1 or 3. Okay, so 1 or 3 is good. Okay, not the 0. Okay, let's go into the open one. Okay, so here we have some terms whenever we are opening this topic node. Okay, merging topics, splitting topics, create a topic from terms. Okay, add a topic as a category. Okay, we will see all these terms. Okay, now you can see here in the topics they will be show some 11 topic. Okay, so 11 topic is plus call, plus phone numbers and say plus say. Okay, so they will be show this topic related data. Let's suppose I click on this first one. Okay, if I click on the match, now they will be show all the match related to this topic. Okay, to this call, phone or number or say. Okay, so right now it's showing documents 394. In the 394 we found that topic match. Okay, now you can see here all the related they will be showing. Okay, now also in the above when I selected this first, they will be showing the split topic. Okay, so splitting topic is, let's suppose if a topic seems to be too broad. Okay, broad in a scope, and you can split this topic into two new topics. Okay, so then we are using this. Okay, so I click on the split. Okay, now you can see here this is a split into twos. Okay, call, tell, then say, be, call, phone number, topic, money. Okay, now it's distributed into two part. Okay, so if you want to split it, so you can split into two or three. Okay, as you want. Okay, I have to run this node, then they will be show the result for related that one. Okay, so after any action you have to run a node. If you're not running a node, they will be not showing you the correct output. Okay, then they will be show the previous one. Okay, So you have to run a node. Okay, next then we have the another symbol is the category. Okay, so it will take a time to running a node. Next we have here, okay, so now you can see here, this is split. Where is the node? Okay, now you can see here our topic are split: call, phone number, call, tell, say, be. Okay, 712 documents, then we have 394 documents. Okay, also one more, when we are selecting this topic, when then we have one more option is add topic. After this split we have the add topic. Okay, so if I click on this one, so they will be automatically adding these as a category. Okay, now this topic is added as the category. Okay, add topics as a category. So whenever we will see the result of the category, then they will be show one category of related to the call, phone number and the say. Okay, then they will be show all the analysis related to this category. Okay, next we have one more option here. This is the merge topics. Okay, same like the split, we are splitting two topics. If you want to, if you see this call, phone number or call, tell, this is like this sorry, same topics. Okay, so if you want to merge, so you can merge it. Okay, so if now I click on the merge, now these two topics are merged. Okay, I have to run this node again. Okay, so split, merge and the category, you can do it. Okay, and also we have the terms here that is the related to that one. Okay, they will be also show here. Okay, it's take a time. Okay, now you can see here, now they will be show, I merge it. Okay, now you can see here the document is 1055. Okay, also if you click and you will see the matched here also, and also here if you click on the matched, okay, in here also they will be show some match values. Okay, now you can see here they will be show the term. Okay, relevance, role, document and the frequency. Now you can see here the call. If I want to see related to the in the call, they will be showing some category. In the category they will be show called, called. So different related to the call, they show the different terms. Okay, called, calls, calling. Okay, and how many document in the document, and the what is the frequency of that one. Okay, so that particular analysis is available here in the terms. Okay, let's suppose I want to see about related to the tell, we have told, telling. Okay, so how many document and the frequency is there. Okay, so that showing here. Okay, and also the v, p and pronoun, noun. Okay, so that the role will be showing here. So this is this same role category that we will see. Adverb we have. Okay, noun we have, so they will be show all the role. Okay, so this is how we are seeing the topic. Okay, okay, so this is all about the topic. Okay, so how we are managing the topic, how we are seeing the topic result and the in the open window. Thank you guys.